Welcome back, friends. Okay, so we have our wheel caster assembly, which can pivot around and the wheel can turn, but we can barely see it turning. So we want to spruce this wheel up. We're going to add some color to it. We're going to add some text to it so that when we turn it, we can actually see what's going on. To do this, I'm going to open up my wheel in SOLIDWORKS. And I don't want the outlines, just there we go, just the shaded color. To put text on it, first I need to make a line for the text to go on. So I'm going to start myself a new sketch on the side of the wheel, and it's just going to be a circle. Starting from the origin point, I'm going to go out here. Yeah, that looks about right. Grab my dimension tool, and I'll just make it 75. Nice round easy numbers to work with. I'm going to use my selection tool to select this new circle because, as I've done before, I don't actually want this circle to be a piece of the part. It's not going to be a cut. It's not going to be an extrusion. It's just going to be for reference. So I'm going to come over here and say it's for construction. Now that I have basically a line that I can put text on, come up here, this letter A, well, that's my text tool. Give it a click, and it already assumes that I'm going to be using this arc. So I just put in my text. And since we go to EVCC's AmTech program, let's make it EVCC and AmTech. All right. Unfortunately, it's come out on the inside of the line, but that's not a problem because down here I've got my options. Click on this one to push it to the outside of the line, and the text is backwards. So there we go. That's looking pretty good. So now I don't like the fact that it's kind of small lettering. So under Use Document Font, if I unclick this box and click Font, it gives me some options. You can mess around with the fonts and font styles. Today, I'm just going to be changing the size. So I say that I want to use points. And I'm going to come down here. We'll say 28. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Now for my alignment of the text, I want to center align it. And now I'll just put some spaces between until one's on top, one's on the bottom. Just kind of eyeballing it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'll click my green tick mark. Now I'm still inside a sketch. So I've just created these shapes. I'm going to actually cut them into the surface of the wheel now. So I select features, and I just use this as the outline for an extruded cut. And I'm going to go in about 2 millimeters deep. Excellent. And there we go. I just cut our school abbreviation, our little logo, right into the side of the wheel. Now I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Start a sketch, throw it on the wheel, give myself a circle, starting at the origin point, heading out here, use my dimension tool, call it 75 so they're the same size. Use my selection tool to grab this new circle for construction only. Now that I have the circle, I can go into my text. It says that I'm using this arc already. Type in EVCC space AmTech. Go down here, uncheck the font box, go into the font menu, say I'm using points. Come on down to 28. Say OK. And give myself some spacing in between them. So one's on top, one's on bottom. That looks about right. Excellent. Now I go into my features menu, turn it into a cut. 2 millimeters deep. Excellent. There we go. I got it cut on both sides. So now it still doesn't really stand out all that well. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to edit the appearance. So it's I was working on cut extrude 2. I want to add cut extrude 1. There we go. I got both of them. I'm going to make these guys nice and light. Good. That stands out a little bit better. But most shopping carts don't have gray wheels. They tend to have pretty dark, blackish looking wheels. So I'm going to go back into this edit appearance menu. And I'll select the whole wheel. If it's not already selected, this one already popped up for me, which was nice. And for the whole wheel, I'll choose this dark gray, almost black. Now we got something that kind of stands out. Excellent. I will save this. And now I'm just going to go back into my assembly, caster assembly that we started out looking at. Now looky there. Now when I turn the wheel, you can actually see what's going on, whereas before it was hard to see. And it still casters about, and I got it on both sides. Fantastic. Hope this was helpful. Hope you're having a good day.